Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and I'm so excited because I have a brand new box. So this is called JB Stylebox, and it is a style box that comes from a Michigan-based store. Angela Mason is kind of the one that stumbled upon this box because she actually went into the store and found out about the box. She posted a video of it. Now there's a couple of us that are trying it out for ourselves. And they are Stylebox. You know, you fill out your style survey and someone contacts you directly. I got a phone call, but I was headed out of town, so I didn't get a chance to talk to them. But we emailed a little bit about what I was looking for, and then they sent me this box. I have peeked in it, and that's why this is open, but I haven't dug into anything yet, so I'm super, super excited. So let's just dive right in. Okay, so first of all, it is very beautiful on the inside, just really nicely wrapped with ribbons and pictures and paperwork and all that jazz. So let's attempt to lift this out. Okay, so let's kind of start with paperwork real quick and just go over what we have here. First of all, there are pictures of the outfits, so I will kind of show that as I pull out the pieces. So right now I'm going to stick that behind me. There is a personalized style note that is written out here, just talking about the pieces and how to pair them. Also, they give prices for some of the accessories and shoes and stuff that are in the pictures and not in the box. So if it's like, if I see a pair of shoes that they have pair with an outfit and I'm like, I need those shoes, then they've got the price here for it. So that's super cool. I like that a lot. And then we have the price sheet, so I'm not going to look at that yet. For referral, and hopefully I used Angela as my referral, you'll both receive 20% off your purchase. So if you want to try this, you can use my name, Jennifer Evans, obviously, when you fill out your style profile, and I will have a link below for that, and you will get 20% off. I will get 20% off, and we'll all be happy. So that's very cool. Now let's jump right into, it looks like a couple of different bundles here. So let's go to the first one, and then I'll find the picture to go with it and we'll discuss. Okay, so we have, oh, this looks super cute and cozy. So I did tell her I wanted like some cropped sweaters and some straight leg jeans. That might have been it. Maybe jackets. I'm not sure. But I think that's what I said. So this is by Fundamental Performance, and it is fuzzy on the inside. You know, guys know how I'm always complaining when the outside is fuzzy. Well, this one is fuzzy on the inside. And this is just a nice casual cropped sweatshirt, which is exactly the pieces I'm looking for right now as I'm staying home and just want to look kind of cute, but still super comfy. So I really like this piece. So there you go. I also asked for kind of pieces to layer with jackets and cardigans and things like that. So this is by Z Supply, and this is a racerback tank, and it will be a great layering piece, V-neck with pocket, very cute. And then we have by Sage the Label. We've got this jacket here, this bomber jacket with kind of this quilting on it. That is very cute, so I'm excited to try that on. And then the second bundle here, this is by Wishlist, and this is a, I think they call this like a chevron sweater, because obviously that's kind of a chevron symbol. This is meant to be a very kind of an oversized slouchy type sweater, which I am getting more into. It's small/medium, so that definitely tells you that it's not supposed to be like a form-fitting type thing. So I am interested to try that. Another sweater, we've got a turtleneck sweater that has some striping on it. This is by THML. This is an extra small. Very cute, very different than anything I have. I like the color, the neutral colors of this, so that is very cute. And lastly, we have Liverpool, and these are some raw hem straight leg jeans. So I am excited to try these on. They look super cute. Like those a lot. So here we go. All right, so I am just to look through the pictures here a little bit and give you guys a flavor of what that looks like. We have the jeans here with the Grazy Supply tank and that bomber jacket. And you can see kind of how they pair shoes with them. So they've got some sneakers there. They have combat, kind of like heeled combat type boot with green sweater, or that first green sweatshirt that I pulled out. They have the chevron sweater with a brown heeled boot there, which I think those like heeled combat boots, I'm seeing those around a lot and I'm kind of intrigued. Same boots with the striped sweater. So I will try, when I try these on, I will try to pair them with similar pieces with what I do have. And yeah, there we go. Let's get to it. Okay, outfit number one, I have 3 of the pieces on and pair of sneakers. So here is the picture so you guys can see it. That light might be a little bit bright on that, but so that's what I'm doing. My shoes are filthy, so they don't look great. But the straight leg, I think, is kind of a perfect length for these. I don't know, I would maybe consider going maybe a little bit shorter. I'm not sure. So I would maybe play around with some different lengths. It is a raw hem, so it's up to me if I want to go any shorter or not. Right now, I just did the initial with the tank out, but just to give you guys that particular look. Now let's do just a quick little tuck. I'll do a couple different tucks here so you guys can see it. So I think this is a very cute outfit. I still have it hanging out here. Sometimes I struggle to know how to style things with a shorter jacket. So here it is, kind of tucked front and back. I don't know what it looks like, so I will see when I watch this video back. But I think this is a very cute outfit. So let's go over individual pieces real quick. So the jeans, they are a great fit. They are soft. They are appropriately snug here around the waist, which always feels nice. And I do like the straight leg. I've just been a lot more interested in the straight legs, wider legs recently. Now don't get me wrong, I love my skinnies. My skinnies aren't going anywhere. But it is kind of nice to dabble in some other cuts of jeans. So I like these. Oh, this is from the Eco Collection. Supporting sustainable style. Okay, thanks Liverpool. Okay, the jacket is actually a pretty darn good fit in my opinion. You know, whenever I pull out a jacket, even though I always ask for jackets because I love them, they rarely ever fit me. And so it's like when I see one, it's like, well, that's not gonna fit. But I'm actually very pleased with the fit of this. What do you guys think? Do you think this fits me well? I feel like the sleeves aren't too long, it's not too boxy. So I think that is cute. And then the tank here is a really good fit. When I put it on, it felt like perfectly snug up here and, you know, not too flowy, perfect level of flowiness. Obviously, it's meant to be kind of long tunic-y. So, but it's a great fit. So I'm happy with that. Okay, next outfit. Okay, we are to outfit number 2. I will show you guys the picture. So the sweatshirt, the same jeans, and kind of the black heeled combat boot. Now, I don't have a black heeled combat boot, so I kind of put on 2 different things. So one is a flat combat boot, and the other is just a regular heeled bootie. So I'm kind of interested to get your guys' opinions on this. I feel like with this outfit, I'd probably wear the flat combat over the heeled because this is a much more casual type sweatshirt, which is a really good fit. The sleeve length is really good. It's meant to be kind of oversized and boxy a little bit, but it's not bad at all. And it feels really good on my skin. It's cropped, but not like, you know, tons of midriff showing, crop, so it's still very conservative. And then I even feel like if I want to kind of pull it a little bit to a side, I can, to kind of give it a little bit of a one shoulder look to it. So very, very comfy, cute. All right, next up. Okay, now we have the chevron sweater, which is a very comfy, kind of thick, oversized sweater. I was so against this type of thing last winter, and I feel like I appreciate it now. We kind of have a tradition, especially in the winter, where we get up early in the weekends, it's still dark out, we go out for breakfast, and I find myself in that situation pulling for some of the more comfy, oversized type sweaters, because it's like, it's early, you know, I haven't had my coffee yet, let's just be comfy. This is kind of a cute version of that look. Now, I did the mixed shoe here again because they do the heeled combat boot again, this time in brown. I'll show you guys that. And so I did kind of the flat combat and then the heeled booty. I don't know, I think maybe this one I would go more for the heeled booty to kind of dress this up a little bit, but I think the flat combat looks good with it too. I am leaning towards wanting to crop these jeans just a little bit more, but we'll see. So yeah, I really like the sweater. Let's move to the last one. Okay, we are to the final outfit. Again, here is the picture for this outfit, and it was really nice having these pictures. I guess Stitch Fix does that. I just never pay attention to it. So for some reason, I'm paying attention to it here. So the sweater, I'm glad that turtleneck sweaters are kind of making a comeback because I like a warm neck. I'm cold, and the more I can bundle up, the better. So that feels really nice. Again, just a cute sleeve length. I haven't had any issues. A lot of these tops are meant to be a little bit boxy, and it's different striping than anything I have, and I do love stripes. So again, different booties on with these. These I would maybe go a little bit more for the combat boot in this with this particular sweater, but I like all these sweaters. They're very unique, they're very cute. So let's go over prices, decide what to keep. I'll tell you guys a little bit more about the service because I guess I haven't really covered that. So let's go do that. Okay, starting at the top here, I do have 20% off because I did put Angela's name in for a referral. So if you put my name in for a referral, you and I will both get 20% off. So I will give you probably both the full and then what I would pay price, just as an FYI. Okay, so the first top, the Z Supply Racer Back Tank, this is $32 originally. I would pay $25.60. This is a really good quality top. I don't quite like how long it is, so I don't know. I'm debating this because it is a good layering piece. I can tuck it. I could even crop it if I wanted. So I'm debating on this piece because I'm always looking for more layering pieces. This is the Sage Indie jacket, and this is $82 originally. I would pay $65.60. I like this. It's warm. I have something almost identical in black, so I'm struggling with, would I reach for this? I don't know. I really like it. I'm happy that it fit well. I just don't know if I would reach for this enough, knowing that I have something very similar already. So that's a maybe. Then we have the Fun Coast East Side Crew, and this is originally $68. And I would pay $54.40. I'm leaning towards keeping this one because it's just a nice, cozy, but cute stay-at-home sweatshirt. I really liked it. So I am definitely leaning towards keeping this. The Liverpool crop, this is originally $89, as Liverpool is. And I would pay $71.20. Probably not going to keep these. I really like these. I have zero complaints. I just don't want to pay Liverpool prices right now. So even though I do get a nice discount, I just don't know. Again, I'm a maybe. I'm you hear me thinking I'm a maybe on these, but I just don't know if I like them enough to spend 70 bucks on them. So then we have the Wishlist chevron sweater, and it is $46 originally, $36.80 on sale, which is a surprisingly good price. This one might depend on how I feel about things when I watch it back. So the oversized sweater thing I'm definitely more into than I used to, but I don't know if I'm ready to fully commit to that. So I probably need to watch myself back to make that decision. But that's a good price, 36 bucks for that. The thermal turtleneck striped sweater, this is originally $69 and I would pay $55.20. I like it. I think I kind of actually like the chevron sweater better because I kind of like that color blocking. So I think of the two sweaters, I would probably lean towards the chevron over this one. The total for the entire box without discount is $786. The total with the 20% off discount is $308.80. Now, a couple more things about the service. One, there is I believe a $20 styling fee, but it does get applied to anything you purchase. There's no online checkout right now, so you return it in the box you received it in. Right now, we're not quite sure how many days you get, but you know, be reasonable. I've already mentioned how a couple times how the referrals work. I think that is all there is to say about this service. I was very pleased with it. It was a lot of fun. I liked everything they gave me. I liked the way they put together the outfits. So that was a great box, and I definitely will be trying them again. And I'd love to hear you guys' thoughts on what you think of these pieces. They're kind of different than ones that I have received in other boxes, so I am very interested on y'all's thoughts. And hopefully you like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, then please subscribe below, and hopefully I will see you in the next video. Okay, bye.